Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, where Islamic knowledge meets excellence. We offer online Quran classes for both children and adults, guided by experienced male and female teachers who are dedicated to your spiritual growth. At Madani Islamic Academy, we provide structured and engaging courses, Madani Qaida and Nurani Qaida for beginners, Quran with Tajweed for beautiful and accurate recitation, Quran translation to understand the deeper meanings of the Quran, fluent Quran reading to improve your fluency, and Islamic studies, including essential du'as, kalimas, ahadith, and salah. Each class is 30 minutes long, 20 minutes for Quran learning, 10 minutes for Islamic knowledge and practical guidance, with flexible timings, personalized one-on-one sessions, and access from anywhere in the world. Learning Quran has never been this convenient. Start your journey with 2 free trial classes and experience the quality of our teaching. Register now for free at www.madaniislamicacademy.com registration form. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp
+44 748 067 283.
Thank you for watching. We are truly honored to have you with us. May your heart always remain connected to the Quran and your path be filled with light and blessings. Madani Islamic Academy, guiding hearts through the Quran. Shari'ah-Compliant, Islamic and academic education.